The American R versus the French R. When Americans see the letter R, they pronounce the letter R like this: Robert, regard, Rex. In other words, the American R is ra, ra, ra. The French R is totally different. When you want to say the French R, you use the G sound. G as in get or go. Compare the two differences. American R, ra, ra, ra. French R, g, g, g. So when you want to say the French R, as you speak French, you would say Robert, regarde, Rex. Say all the R's with a hard G sound. So to say the French R, you use the G sound, the G sound as in get, and at the same time you say the G sound, you breathe on that G. So you notice the difference. The American R, Robert, regard, Rex. French R, Robert, regarde, Rex. If you can say the French R as a breathable hard G, then you can master the French R sound. The French R is the most common French pronunciation mistake among American speakers of French because the French R does not exist in English. Okay, English. In English. This ends my video on the difference between the American R versus the French R.